Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your text move in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to add text to my project. I'm just going to click on the text option and then click add text, and for example I'm going to type in CapCut like this. And if we want to make this text move, we can use the keyframe feature in CapCut. You can click on this check mark first, and then this is the keyframe feature we can use to make our text move. And I'm going to show you how this keyframe feature works. Wait guys, I'm going to extend my text, and then we can click on this keyframe like this, and I'm going to move it right here for example. Okay, and then I'm gonna move it down and then right here, and I'm just going to make random movement for this text. Okay, and then let's see the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can make text move in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.